So guys, now we are going to enumerating a web server information using an Nmap script engine. So to enumerate a web server's information using an Nmap script engine, you can take an advantage of build a script that allows you to gather a detailed information about a target web servers, such as its version configuration and security issues and vulnerabilities. Now we would like to look this how we can go and look it out this one. So first of all, I just open my Linux machine. Now I just look here as sudo su. I would like to enter my password. Then I just type here as net discover minus I is 0. So first of all, I would like to identify. So I would like to test only the local machines right now. I don't like to go directly as an a live machines at the moment. Now I have my target machine. I just quit now here. Now I just open new tab. Now I can look here as the first one is I just type here as uh, I just type as nmap. Uh, so first of all, I would like to go for as nmap result. Nmap minus uh, t4 minus a is an aggressive scan and enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.868. Now let's wait for this nmap result. So I have got it as one is available within MySQL. Now let's just copy this port. Now is type as a nmap port on 3306 is for MySQL. Now I would like to present as a script. Now in the script place, I just need to put as a MySQL. I would like to specify as a dash and star. I would like to get entirely what else available in the MySQL and enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.68. In this targeted IP address, in a real-time case scenarios, you just need to enter your targeted host IP address, otherwise targeted domain name, otherwise abc.com, xyz.com, xyz.in, or blueberry.in, xyz. So now the entire of MySQL database will be displayed here. What is the user credentials, group credentials, and system schema details, everything will be displayed here. Now let's look here. So it may take a little bit lengthy time process. So even if you want to get hidden ports in that, you just need to type here as nmap minus 34 minus a as an aggressive scan and specify the port. Then just enter. So it may also take a little bit time. You can see here in the MySQL MariaDB 5.5.1. There supports a transactions speak for a protocols new supports for new ignore spices content with the database every information. So where I have got it with the open SSH is 1337. That's it here. Now we would like to look this, come back. So I have got the nmap results. Now you can look here a port 3306. It's a TCP. Open with MySQL. MySQL. It's make an account. No valid accounts is found and perform 5009 guesses in 73 seconds and average tips. Valid usernames. It was found. Root, web, user, guest, test, system admin, administrator, web admin, net admin. Every information you can get it here. That's it. In a real-time case scenarios, you just need to try again until you get it. Okay. So this is a test environment. You can get it very easily. Okay. Once you go for an test environment, you can get it in much easily. So now we would like to, this is a test environment. Now I would like to try as uh, live environment. Now I just type it as a nmap. Now I would like to try here as uh, I would like to put here as a script and http address minus d for a domain. I would like to put here as a cloudflare.com. So you can look here, everything we are getting here, discovering. So it may take a little bit time. So port 80 443 8080 8443. That's it. Our final time host string. That's it. We have got the output. Now we can check whether the web application firewall is configured on the target host or a domain in the terminal. Now we would like to look here as just clear, you just type it as nmap. Now I would like to put as a port for a 80. Now just type it as a script. Then you just type http waf windows like firewall detect. Then you just enter any of your targeted domain name, hsbsc.com. Now let's look here. So this command will scan the host attempt for a determine whether the web server is being monitored by IPs or IDs or WAF, web application firewalls. So where you can look here, it may be identified. So this concludes the demonstration how to enumerate a web server's information using Nmap script engine. So there are multiple script engines. So you can get it from a Google. Then I can also give you in the descriptions for this in one PDF format. You can practice that one in a real-time case scenarios. That's it. Now let's close this.